Hello everybody.
My name's George.
And I'm Charlie.
And I am going to be strapping Charles, blindfolded, as you can see. And yeah, just see how good I can do it really.
And then Croughton, our professional, is going to tell
Show
him
us
how
how to properly do it.
Yeah, show us how to do it. Alright, the old knee strap. Just don't get the scab, right?
I don't know where you are.
I've got I'm over here. Yeah. That's my scab.
Mate, I can't tell you. I'm alright?
Yeah. That's good, mate. That's good. That's good.
I'm using sticky spray, so it sticks on him. It stays on him.
Thank you to Mother.
I can't find this is the hardest bit.
Can I help him with this?
How is it? There you go, got it.
Please.
Is your short pulled up?
Yes.
Well, I reckon there. Isn't it?
Yeah? Just not too tight, please, mate. Don't want to be cramping up.
Nah, shut up, mate. It's not the first time I've done this.
That's feeling pretty tight, mate.
This ain't my first rodeo, mate. What leg is this? We're going up down
watch
here.
out for the scab, mate. Yeah?
Then I'm going here.
It's actually not bad.
Then I'm going. Where's
Might not need your crap.
Mate, stop crying.
Mate, the scab.
It's a scab, mate.
Yeah, and you're going to rip it off, mate. Yeah, that's right on the scab. No.
Yeah, there you go. Right, I'm going to go get to Brown. Is that right, crowd?
Yeah,
Happy days?
That's perfect. Do you remember where you ripped the tape?
I rolled it up. So I want to get down the inside here. So I'm going to start here.
Wait, what are you doing over here? I thought you were just locking it off.
Mate, this is a knee, that's a knee strap, mate.
I didn't get this, mate.
I'm not a physio here, are you?
Fair point. That's a fair point.
I'm going on that. Yeah, that's good. I'm just doing, I think your inside's the one I was worried about. So
Yeah.
What's that?
What are you doing here?
I'm just finishing it off. See it off.
See you later. Do you remember where you yeah, there you go. You had, yeah.
I've undone it.
Yeah.
Can we strap this up?
Are we done?
Mate, that's actually decent.
No, I'd give you a solid score there, like mid.
Like, I could have done, I've kind of missed, I've not really done the outside.
The coverage, the medial coverage there is very good.
Yeah.
Laterally, we're probably missing a bit, and then probably the main important thing for you, Charlie, is aesthetics. I don't think it's there just yet. For a blindfolded effort, I'd be happy with that personally.
Fred, do you reckon that looks good? Like aesthetics?
I think that looks better than Crouching does.
Should we see how the pro does it?
Try and do a better job than Bart's attempt earlier on. So, a light bit of pre-tape spray just to hold it on for him. He doesn't like too much. Obviously avoiding that scab, Charlie, eh?
Yes, please.
Then we'll use the tearable EAB. Creating just an anchor there, and then we'll look to strap Charlie's knee and to give support medially and laterally.
Watch and learn, Barts.
Mine was the same.
So there's the medial support. Then coming around to the lateral aspect. Right, how that tightness there, Charles?
Yeah, that's good tightness, mate.
He's pretty particular with levels of tightness, so it's a bit of a fine art for him. Right, we happy there?
Yes, sir.
And then we'll just use the brown just to lock off here, just so it doesn't become loose when he's out and about on the pitch. And hopefully
Beautiful.
that does the job for the big man.
Should we get a good 360?